Ito pala yung pangalan ng park, kakabsat, makabunsoy. Pine Trees of the World. Pine Trees of the World, Burham. Tapos, Japan Tower of Peace. Japan Tower of Peace, saka Pine Trees of the World. Pangalan ng park, Pine Trees of the World, Burham. Yan. Many tourists go to place when they visit Baguio is Burham Park. However, not everyone is aware that an underrated park located within Burham Radius contains beauty and uniqueness that not everybody is privileged to see. Pine Trees of the World, it is a park that was designed to collect varied pine tree species from all over the world. The Latin names and general features of the trees featured in the park are marked. Picnics and relaxation are popular activities for visitation. O nga naman, di ba? Lahat kasi pinupunta ng tao, Burham Park lang. Na hindi nila alam, may park pa palang mas maganda pa sa Burham. Ito nga. Itong Pine Trees of the World. So, palagi nakakonsentrate sa Burham Park. Nakakalimutan niya yung Pacdal Park, Sunshine Park. Actually, marami dito eh. Sunshine Park, Pacdal Park. Oh. Yung Bayan Park kasi ngayon ginagawa, under renovation siya. Ayan, Pine Trees of the World to. Tapos nandun sa baba yung Japan Peace of Peace Art. Peace Art ng Japan. Diba? Japan Peace Art. Ito pala, Pine Trees of the World. Yung pangalan ng park na to. Oh, kasi palaging Burham Park. Palaging Burham Park na nasa ano ng mga tao. Nakakalimutan nila. May park na mas maganda pa sa Burham Park. Hindi naman maganda. Pwede mo lang ihalin tulad sa Burham Park, you know? Punong-puno ng pine trees. Yan, gandun yan sa baba. Yan. Pine Trees of the World pala. Yan. Bye-bye, kakabsat, makabunsoy. Alam ko na, Pine Trees of the World at Japanese Art. Peace Treaty. Japanese Art. Yan. Bye-bye, kakabsat, makabunsoy. Salamat. Upload videos lang. Ano pala to? Pine Trees of the World Park. Burham Park. Parang isa ako pa rin siya ng Burham Park. Pero malayo na. Sa baba to ng SM Baguio. Bye bye.